Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Epic Yarn Gems. Today I am going to be doing a little video to catch you up on some of the things that I've been doing. And also at the very end, I will be doing a yarn giveaway, so watch for that. Lots of stuff has been going on, so I hope you enjoy this video. It's a bit of a mishmash. The first thing I want to share with you, and this has been done for a little while, is my temperature scarf. It is a variation on a temperature blanket because I didn't really want to do an entire blanket with the temperatures on it. I thought it would be too big for the things I wanted to do. So when the year started 2020, I decided that I was going to do a scarf. So here is my scarf from January 1st, 2020 to December 31st, 2020. And you can see Diamond is there with his treat, making sure that the scarf is up to his satisfaction. As I finished the scarf, I decided that I didn't really want a scarf, and I had also changed my hook size midway through by accident. So, what I decided to do was I decided to stitch it together, put in some stuffing, and to create a snake for 2020. I added a little face there to the end of it. Now, had I thought I was going to do a snake or something like that at the beginning of this project, I wouldn't have used the stitch I used. I would have used more of a single crochet through the whole thing because the stuffing is kind of coming out. But you know what? It turned out I like it. It's pretty cute. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. But it was a fun little project to do. Not sure I'll do another one though. Some other things I've been working on is some corner to corner blankets that I have given as gifts. This one was done with the Bloom yarn from Premier with a scalloped edge, and this one was done with the Bernat Baby, I believe, and this edge is actually green and white. Doesn't actually go, but the parents are Michigan State fans, so I added a little bit of Michigan State flair to it. This next item is a man's sized bucket hat. Made this for my son. I do make him some customized hats because he does find it hard to find hats that fit his head. So this is a pattern that I worked up for him, and will be one that I will be doing a tutorial on in the near future, as well as sharing the free pattern. So look for that. This video is a mishmash of things. So I received my very first order from Hirschner's. So I wanted to share what it looks like when it comes in. It looks, you know, pretty much just thrown in there a little bit, not perfectly packed. Um, and the yarn has come off a little bit here, but not too bad. I really don't like it when it does it. I like my perfect little skeins, but for the most part, the packing looks good. They had a big sale or a sale on Premier Anti-Pilling yarn for $2.99 a skein. I could not resist that. Also, I use this for all the Battle Cap project work that I do, and there are some hats that I've recently finished up. I needed to get a new stock so that I would be able to create some more hats for that project, and that's what this yarn will become. And last but not least, I was cleaning out my yarn room and cleaning out some of my different areas. So I will be doing some giveaways from my cleanup. And what this first giveaway is, or the first of different giveaways for different months, this is April's giveaway, is a box full of Red Heart yarn. So I'm cleaning out my yarn room by different brands. So the first one is going to be, this giveaway is going to be Red Heart yarns. The first yarn is the Soft Essentials. It is 131 yards. The color is peony. It is a 5 bulky weighted yarn, 100% acrylic, and made in Turkey. The next yarn is a Super Saver, 236 yards. The color is Monet, for medium weight, 100% acrylic, made in the US with imported fibers. The next one is a With Love Stripes, 223 yards, brocade stripes, for medium weight, 100% acrylic, made in Turkey. Just so you know, this is not as soft as the other with Love products, but maybe it's the striping that makes it not as soft. The next one is a Super Saver. It is 236 yards. It is called Green Tones. It is a 4 medium weight 100% acrylic, again made in the US with imported fibers. The next one is another with Love. It is 230 yards. The color is Caroline, 4 medium weight 100% acrylic. This one is made in Turkey. The next one is another Super Saver, 236 yards. Color is Wildflower, 4 medium weight, 100% acrylic, and that one is made in the US with imported fibers. And the last one is a bigger Super Saver. This is a hot pink. It has 364 yards. The color is pretty in pink. It is a 4 medium weight, 100% acrylic, made in the US with imported fibers. So that is the entire giveaway box. These are all yarns that I have purchased. I am not sponsored by any yarn company. Also, to enter, you need to leave a comment because I use a random comment selector to pick the winner. So just leave a comment of, I don't know, your favorite number, your favorite flower, something to do with spring. Who knows? Just something that will bring a smile to all our faces. Also, you must be 18 years or older to enter. This giveaway is open worldwide. You must comply with all of the YouTube rules, regulations, and guidelines. The giveaway will be open until April 30th, and probably after 5 o'clock on that day, I will pick a winner. The winner will have 14 days to respond. Otherwise, I will need to pick another winner. Also, like I said, this is open worldwide, but if your country is not able to accept packages like this, I will not be able to send it to you. Also, if there are any duties, taxes, or fees, those will be the responsibility of the winner. I'm going to put all of this down in the description, so make sure that you read it, and if you do leave a comment that you are saying that you agree to those rules. I want to say that I truly appreciate all of you and thank you for stopping by. As always, peace, love, and happiness to you all. Take care and watch for some of my new videos coming soon.